Hey, Mason, can you laugh? How do you laugh? 1, 2, 3, laugh! I love you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, laugh! Do you know how to clap? Okay, now laugh. Okay, can you show me how to clap? If you're happy to know it, clap your hands. Okay, now look at Mommy. Laugh. Last time, okay? 1. Oh, you just laughed like that? Okay, ready? Hey, Mason. Laugh.